Hi everyone, this is my project Funder Look Like, a funding intelligence tool which helps the non-profit organizations find the potential funders. In this system, we have used the publicly available IRS 990 PF data, which is for private foundations, which contains the historical data of the grants and the funders. In this dataset, we extract the relationship between the funders and the grants and build a recommendation engine to give recommendations about the funders. Here, in the left side, we can search for the grant receiving organizations. We have given the option for states if we want to search for a specific state. Also, we have given the option for the year, for which year we want to find the recommendation. Suppose for 2025 I have selected this, and if I don't remember the exact name, then we can search the partial. Here, like, I can search for America. Here in the bottom, I get the recommendations about the searched keyword. If I select the American Friends of Megan and click on the run analysis button, it will take some time to load the data. Now, this is the funding intelligence network graph. Here, the center one is the target organization, and the green ones are the current funders, and blue ones are the recommended funders. The light blues are the evidence organizations, which shows the similar funding patterns. Based on that, we have recommended the funders. So, in the end, we can say that this graph visually helps us to understand the funding pattern between the organizations based on the graphical location, or the geographical location, or the purpose of the organization, the size of the organization. Now, let's scroll it down. Here, we can see the list of the recommended funders. Here, for each funder, we show the last active, which is the last tax filing year of that organization, the median grant, and the top states. Like, this funder has given the most grants for these states. And if we click the any of the funder, we can get the detailed information about that funder organization. Suppose here's the website, the contact of the company. We get the signing authority person's contact number and the position. Here we get the address of the company. Also, we get the last active, which is the tax filing year. We get the information about the median grant, average grant, total given. Here we get the information about the grant count. Suppose this is the grant count and this is the unique grants. Here the grant count is the 4,430 and unique grants is 1639. Here, suppose if the funder has given the same company multiple grants, then in unique grants we exclude that organization count. We also show the top 5 concentration, like how genuinely the funder has given the grants to the organization. And for the evidence, we show the similar organizations. Based on that, we have recommended this funder to the organization.